Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Here is the job posting from today as on the date 18th November 2020. The candidates, those who want to apply for the right positions, please do watch my full video. The first vacancy is for the position of driver cum technician from an facility management industry in Dubai. The candidate with an experience of 1 to 2 years in UAE in a similar field can apply for this position. The salary package is unspecified plus accommodation is provided. You can forward your resume to the below provided email ID. Next is an walk-in interview from Unikai Foods in Dubai for the following position of van salesman. Candidate with an experience in FMCG can apply for this position. Must have a valid manual UAE driving license. The selected candidates are offered an attractive salary and commission plus accommodation and transportation. The interview will be held from Sunday to Thursday from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. until the end of November. The next walk-in interview is from Control Contracting and Trading Company in Abu Dhabi for the following positions of civil coordinator, civil foreman, storekeeper, joiner, furniture cum wood finisher, steel fixer, painter, electrician, welding foreman, fabrication foreman, painting foreman, mason, carpenter, plumber, welder, laborers and helpers, and fabricators. The interview timing is between 9:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. The salary package is unspecified. You can forward your resume to the below provided email ID or can contact in the below provided mobile number. Next walk-in interview is from Hadaf Al Mustaqbal General Trading LLC in Dubai for the following positions of sales executive, assistant sales executive and sales team leader. Candidate with an previous work experience of 2 years in a similar field can apply for this position. Must have completed an high school or an equivalent diploma. The candidate with an valid UAE driving license can apply for this position. The interview timing is between 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. from 18th to 26th of November. Next vacancy is for the position of printing press supervisor in Ajman. Candidate with an previous work experience of 3 to 5 years in a printing press can apply for this position. Must have a knowledge in machine handling. The salary package is from 85,000 plus other benefits. You can forward your resume to the below provided email ID or can contact in the below provided number. Next vacancy is for the position of automotive electrician from Emirates Transport in Dubai. Candidate with an previous work experience in repairing of electrical faults in luxury cars such as European and American brands can apply for this position. The salary package is unspecified. You can forward your resume to the below provided email ID. Next vacancy is for the position of female secretary in Ras Al Khaimah. Candidate with an experience of 2 years in a similar field can apply for this position. Must have a knowledge in Microsoft Office, Outlook and Word. Must be familiar with office organization and the optimization techniques. Salary package is as per the company standards. You can forward your resume to the below provided email ID. Last vacancy is from GBH International Contracting LLC in Dubai for the following positions of housekeeping supervisor, MEP supervisor, electrician, AC technician and facility engineer. The salary package is unspecified. You can forward your resume to the below provided email ID. Hi friends, if you find my video useful, please subscribe to my channel for more daily UAE jobs and for the job related queries, and also press the bell icon for receiving daily UAE job notifications immediately onto your phone. If you have any doubt regarding any of these job postings, please do let me know in my comment box below. Good luck on your job search and may God bless you all.